Understanding Pay-Per-Click (PPC) Advertising, a beginner's guide. Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting and important topic for businesses and digital marketers: pay-per-click (PPC) advertising. If you've ever wondered how ads on the internet work and why some appear at the top of your search results, you're in the right place. We're going to break down everything you need to know about PPC, making it simple and easy to understand. Let's get started. Pay-per-click, or PPC, is a digital advertising model where advertisers pay a fee each time one of their ads is clicked. Essentially, it's a way of buying visits to your site, rather than attempting to earn those visits organically. PPC can take various forms, but one of the most common types is search engine advertising. Advertisers can bid for ad placement in a search engine sponsored links when someone searches on a keyword that is related to their business offering. At its core, PPC is all about relevance. Search engines like Google and Bing use complex algorithms to ensure the ads they display are relevant to the user's queries. Here's a basic rundown of how it works. 1. Keyword research. Advertisers select keywords related to their business that they think potential customers will use when searching for their products or services. 2. Ad auction. Each time a relevant search query is made, the search engine performs an auction among advertisers bidding on that keyword. 3. Pay only for clicks. Advertisers only pay if their ad is clicked, not just for being displayed. PPC advertising offers several unique advantages. Immediate exposure. Your ad can show in the top search results almost immediately. Targeted advertising. You can target your ads to specific locations, languages, and devices. Measurable results. With PPC, you can easily track your budget, clicks, and conversions, making it easy to see the return on your investment. Creating a successful PPC campaign involves understanding and optimizing a few key components. Relevant keywords. Choosing the right keywords is crucial for reaching your target audience. Quality landing pages. Your ads should lead to a landing page that delivers on what the ad promises and encourages the visitor to take action. Ad copy. Effective ad copy is essential. It should be compelling and encourage users to click through to your site. Bid strategy. Understanding how to manage your bids is important for staying competitive without overspending. PPC advertising can be a powerful tool for driving traffic, generating leads, and increasing sales. By understanding how it works and how to optimize your campaigns, you can effectively reach your target audience at the right time and on the right platform. We hope this video has shed some light on pay-per-click advertising and helps you get started on your PPC journey. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.